Now. Go.
Hello, this is Kathy's Korner, and I'm unboxing some more china. It comes with a set. These are called dessert plates.
I thought they were salad plates.
They're dessert plates
Okay.
because when you serve tea, you have, you have little small canopies. You have little, really small little sandwiches to nibble on, and some little candy thing called petite four. It's like a miniature cake that would fit in the palm of your hand.
Okay, lift the plate up so I can see it. Okay, turn it over. No, don't turn. Let them see it. Let them see it in the camera. Where is it? You're not doing it right. I want them to see who made it. Okay, now you can turn it around again. Turn it around again so you can see it. All right, because I'm putting it on the camera. Stop flipping it, Kathy. Leave it, stay still. They can't focus on them. You're acting like super speed here. Okay, now there are 4 of these, right?
Yes.
Okay, the package says dinner plate or salad plate, so I don't know. Anyway, she's got 4 of these. Okay. Thank them for watching.
All right, yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching the unboxing.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.